Akiaria hindi ya mucemanio na baruthi wa Amerika guku bururi-ini Robert Godek, Duale ni oigire riu mbunge ni haririirie wega guthurima maministers eeru hamwe na maabitha angi a wabici cia gigatiba. Miario ya Duale na Godek ni cungiriirie itemi riria ambunge magirirwo ni gutema kurehe bururi hamwe na kuhonia ironda iria ciaumanire na githurano kinene.
Now that the election is over, we have agreed that we have a role to play, both sides, in how to make the country one and allow also Jubilee to, as a government now, to implement its manifesto.
Mwena-ini wake baruthi Godek uria ukoretwo akiuria atongoria a thirikari na mung'ethaniro maunanire njung'wa ni atitirithirie bata wa miario ta iyo akiuga ni kurehe urumwe wa akenya.
We also had a good discussion about the importance of a national conversation, and I expressed to you the strong U.S. support for having that conversation as we go into 2018. There are issues that clearly emerged out of the last election, and there is an opportunity, I think, whether it's around strengthening institutions, strengthening devolution, improving governance, dealing with corruption, dealing with the issue of security sector reform.
Kiumia kihituku, Godek niaunaniire njung'wa na mutongoria wa aria nini mbunge-ini ya bururi John Mbadi kuria atitirithirie bata wa mung'ethaniro kuororoia ngoro na kwaraniria na atongoria a thirikari riri ta ikinya ria kurehe bururi hamwe. Handu-ini ha Kimemia TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.